Welcome to our VirtuaLaw Legal Analysis series. In today's episode, we will discuss the case of FF Cruz v. CA, GR L-52732. This landmark case was decided by the Supreme Court of the Philippines on August 29, 1988. Let's dive right into it. F. Cruz & Co. Incorporated, petitioner, owned a furniture manufacturing shop in Caloocan City. The shop was adjacent to the house of Gregorio Mabel, private respondent, and his family. In August 1971, private respondent requested petitioner to construct a firewall between the shop and his house. Petitioner refused. On September 6, 1974, a fire broke out in petitioner's shop. The fire spread to private respondent's house and both structures were razed to the ground. The cause of the fire was never determined. Private respondents filed an action for damages against petitioner, alleging that the fire was caused by the negligence of petitioner or its employees. Petitioner denied any liability, arguing that the cause of the fire was unknown and that it had exercised due care in the operation of its shop. Private respondents filed a claim for damages with their insurer, Fireman's Fund Insurance Company, FIC, which paid them the full amount of their policy coverage. FIC then filed a subrogation suit against petitioner to recover the amount it had paid to private respondents. Petitioner argued that FIC was not entitled to subrogation because it had not paid the full amount of private respondents' damages. Issue: whether or not FFIC was entitled to subrogation to recover the amount that it paid to the private respondent. Ruling: the court held that petitioner Fireman's Fund Insurance Company was indeed subrogated to the rights of private respondents against petitioner FF Cruz. This is because, upon payment of the loss incurred by the insured, the insurer is entitled to be subrogated pro tanto to any right of action which the insured may have against the third person whose negligence or wrongful act caused the loss. The court also held that the amount that petitioner Fireman's Fund Insurance Company could recover from petitioner FF Cruz was limited to the amount that it had paid to private respondents. This is because subrogation is a right that is given to the insurer to the extent of its payment to the insured. The court explained that subrogation is a legal principle that allows an insurer to step into the shoes of its insured and take over the insured's rights against a third party who caused the loss. This is because the insurer has already paid the insured for the loss, and it is therefore only fair that the insurer should be able to recover its losses from the third party. The court also held that FIC was not required to pay the full amount of private respondents' damages in order to be entitled to subrogation. The court reasoned that the purpose of subrogation is to ensure that the insurer is made whole for the losses it has paid to its insured. Therefore, as long as FIC has paid the insured the full amount of its policy coverage, it is entitled to subrogation, even if the insured's damages are greater than the policy coverage. That's all for this episode. What do you think about the topic? Feel free to comment and suggest what topic you want us to discuss on the next video. Stay tuned for more legal insights in our future episode. Remember, understanding landmark case helps us comprehend the intricacies of our legal system. See you next time. Like and subscribe.